Hey yo, let me tell you a little bit about this wig before I get into my processing, okay? So originally this hair was this black, like who, and it was shipped to me by my customer from Texas. So she won a P427 piano wig, and I saw that she been eyeing it on my website. She like, I really want this hair, like I really like the color and especially the way you wearing it. So I'm like, okay. She like, but I cannot, afford to order it right now. But I have an old wig. Can you, because I'm good at coloring. So she like, can you do the colors for me? I'm like, sure, we can do that. I don't mind. So she shipped this hair out to me from Texas. And this is our first after I bleach it. I want to bleach it because I didn't want it to over process. I didn't want it to damage the hair. I wasn't sure if it was a human hair before she shipped it out to me, but like, I mean, she said it was a human hair, but I wasn't sure the quality. All right, so far so good. It kind of like took the bleach really well. So what I'm about to do right now is go in and add the highlights. I mean, I'm excited to see the end results. Okay, this is how it looks originally, and this is what she wants it to look like after. Well, let's get into it.
Products, guys, it's everything. Okay, if you at home and you will attempt to achieve this look, I will advise that you get you a flash lift and a developer, but I also recommend you ship it to me. Okay, so let me teach you how to do this. So first thing, you want to put get your pot or bucket, put your hot water in it, hot to warm or warm to hot, and then you add, I did less product, okay, less powder, less developer, more water. Why? Because it's not how much product you put, it's how long. All right, so imagine you put more product and then you left the hair on, or left the product on the hair for almost 45 to 30 minutes. That's gonna over process. But less product, this is your result. Okay, so less product, more water, and I left it in there for 45 minutes to an hour. No, guys, I let this hair air dry, and that's how it look without product. So right now I'm applying the bleach directly to the hair because I wanted to lift up to level, 27. That's basically what it is. All right. Oh, level 7, not 10 though. 10 would be too wide. So between 7, 8, like that. That's what I wanted to look like. So this time, yes, go in and apply it to the product, and I use the 4 because I need the heat. The heat's gonna help the hair process. And at this point, I'm still using my 30% developable with the powder, okay? But you have to use the 4 because you need heat for the hair to process. So let's go. And I went in, I did this everywhere that needed the highlights, all right, both sides. And I let it sit there for like um okay, so I was cooking and doing other stuff. So one side processed faster than the other. So after I did this other side, I let it, process. And then, but usually what I would do when I'm slow or doing something else before getting to the next side, you can go in and take off the fur from the hair, and sometimes use wet towel and just wipe the product off the hair. That will help the hair to stop processing. Okay, so that's what I did. But let's get into how our results look, guys. Remember Kelsey's unique hair. So this is how she looks when I took the 4 paper off. Look at that, yo. Wow. She's doing so good. Yes. I mean, this hair, I'm actually gonna grade it. It's a good hair because the product, it took it so well. Yes. So after I wash the product out, that's how it looks. So I deep conditioner it. I let it sit in the water for like an hour, 30 minutes in the shampoo. Okay, because when you put the bleach on the hair, it kind of leave in the lace and stuff, so I had to leave it in the water for all to come out of it. And then I went in and applied my conditioner, let her air dry overnight. That's how she looks. So next day, let's see what happens. So now she's dry. It's the next day, air dry. I didn't blow dry it because I just trying to be so nice to this hair. Okay, see how she looks. No product, baby good, baby good. All right, so I was thinking if I should straighten it, if I should curl it, or if I should curl it. But before going into the curl, I remember that she needed adjustment. Okay, so she said she didn't want to use glue to install this wig, so she needed me to help her tighten it up a little bit. So what I did, I realized that the elastic that it came with was loose, so I went in and cut some of it off and then sew it back. Believe it or not, that baby is good. She don't need no glue to slay her wig. So that's it. So I decided that I should go in and comb the hair. So let's see how our baby turned out when I went into doing that. So a little bit about what I'm wearing, guys. That's our sweatpants. Where I also sell that on my website. That's like you can wear it under your pants. You can wear it to the gym. That just help you sweat while you're working. Okay, and I'm always branded. So this hair, guys, this hair is giving me life. I'm super happy with the results. Oops. Guys, you got no clue. I'm I'm loving it, okay? All day, every day, yo. So I decided to do a middle part and then, just go in and cramp it. That was it for me. Let's give it a cramp. But I gave her baby hair because the first week I did for her, she like, oh yes, I like baby hair. So I'm like, okay, well, she's a baby hair fan. So I ain't gonna call to ask. I'm just gonna give it to her. All right. So that's what I did. Give her a little baby hair. Use my wax stick, slick down that part, make it look really nice. And let's go, yo. Let's see how. I don't know how to say it, but I'm super satisfied with this result. Okay. Remember, y'all, reach out to me, ship your old wig to me. This hair was the old hair. She wore it for a while. She was probably giving up on it. And she like, if you have two black long wig straight, why can't you change the color of one? Why would you spend money to buy a brand new color wig when you can, color it? And I was looking at this hair when I was watching the video. I was thinking, I'm like, I'd rather do this on a black wig instead of doing it on a 613 wig, because doing it on a 613 wig, you will have to add that brown color. Okay, you will have to add that color before. Guys, if you have a black wig, choose the black wig to do this with. Okay, because it just makes it perfect. It just makes it perfect. All right, instead of using a 613 to achieve this look, I recommend a black wig. I can do it with a 630 wig, but I know it's gonna be money because you gotta buy colors. Yo, come on now. It's okay. Let's get into our crumbly. I just love how this crumbly turned out. So well. So beautiful. Look at that. All right, let me tell you. I fast forwarded this video, okay? But doing this, it takes time. You got to hold it on there after you spray the hair. So you got to hold it and stand there holding it. That's a lot of work. That is a lot of work. So you see it going fast because I fast forwarded it, but it wasn't that fast doing it. Look at that. Look at her, y'all. Look at her. Wow. I love it. But be sure to check me out at Kelsey's Unique Hair. We sell already made wigs. We sell customized wigs. So, We sell kids clothes, we sell jewelries, we sell bags, we sell ladies, ladies dresses. We sell other stuff. It's not just hair, but I mean, hair is our, main product, but we also throw some stuff in there because I mean, I'm gonna helping you out, like picking outfits that match your hair. Guys, I got you. Okay, you can get it all from Kelsey's Unique Hair. All right, y'all. So this is the back. This is the back. So we are about finished. All right, and this is how she turns out. Look at that, guys. Look at that color, y'all. It's so perfect. All right. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Wherever you are seeing this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. So that's a baby hair. That's what I like to do. I like to curl it up. Yeah. And then slick it down after. Like, guys, why? Okay. That's just about it. Me for you. So that's it. I mean, after you do this, remember the hair be kind of frizzy. So in order to loosen it up, so that it can, be free and nice and soft, you want to apply your, little oil to your hands and just massage the hair. That's it. That's all I'm doing right now. I added that my ocean and just massage it. And you want to be careful. You want to be careful with it, okay? Not too much. So doing this, it just loosen up the curves and it just make it beautiful, perfect. Look at that, guys. I am so super satisfied with this outcome. I'm so proud of myself and I just love it. I wish it was mine. That's selfish, right? I wish this hair was mine. I was gonna put it on right away. Well, I'm so jealous. But I'm happy she gonna love it. I sent her pictures. She already excited. She can't wait to receive it. And she purchased 3 of our wig bags. So I'm gonna ship her hair to her, already in her wig bag. She could just hang it in her closet till she ready to wear it. But guys, that's the front. Let's take a look at how it looks in the back. Yes. Look at her. Look at those beautiful, elegant, charming colors. Wow. Super beautiful, super free. I love it. If you like this video, guys, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to comment if you have questions. I'm going to try to leave some information in the description box, but you can shop our already made wigs from Kelsey's Unique Hair, or call me if you want me to customize a wig for you. Bye bye. Love you. Remember, you are unique as you are. Thank you.